When you take two random images and combine them, they don't just sit side by side, they seamlessly merge into one flawless picture. I don't think people realize how insane Google's new AI image model really is. With just one click, you can change your entire facial expression. And it doesn't stop there. You can literally do anything you want with it. Flip your photo, throw on a cape, or completely transform your look in seconds. We're talking next-gen stuff that's already leaving tools like Flux, Contact, and even Photoshop way behind. And the name of this new model? It's called Nano Banana. So, what is Nano Banana? It's Google's brand new AI image generator and editor. You can erase things, drop in new objects, or even swap people in a photo, and it still looks completely natural. Most tools, they break down when edits get tricky, but Nano Banana, it keeps everything clean, sharp, and super professional. Now, let's rewind a bit. Back in March 2025, Google rolled out Gemini 2 Flash with the idea of contextual editing. The concept was solid, but honestly, the quality just wasn't there. A week later, ChatGPT-4, Zero's image tool, launched and stole the spotlight. Then came Flux Context, and that blew everyone's mind. And now, Nano Banana is stepping in to beat them all. When it officially drops, you'll see it baked right into Google Pixel phones, inside the Gemini app, and even inside Google Flow. Plus, you'll be able to pair it with Veo 3 for some next-level power. Alright, let's get into how you can actually try this thing out. So here's what you do. Head over to Google and type in elmarina.ai. Don't worry, I've dropped all the links down in the description, so you can just click and go straight there. Once you're in, look at the top bar. Select Battle Mode and click Generate Image. That's where you can upload your photo and add your prompts. If you want faster, more accurate results, use Google AI Studio or Gemini 2.5. They're quicker, and they deliver spot-on results in less time. All right, let's jump into Google AI Studio. Once the interface opens up, look for the option called Gemini Native Image Generate. That's the one we'll select because with this option, you can actually create images at Nano Banana quality. Next, click the plus icon, choose the photo you want to edit, and upload it. Then just type in your prompt, and finally, hit the Run button. You can see it, just like I expected. Nano Banana nails it. Look at the quality, especially how it keeps the character consistency perfectly intact. Seriously, this is top-notch. And check this out. When I open up this image, the consistency is flawless. Absolutely fantastic. You'll get why everyone's so hyped about this. Meanwhile, the main competitor, OpenAI, honestly, it doesn't even come close. From this very first example, it's clear why Nano Banana is creating all the buzz. But wait, there's more. We've got examples from different angles that are even crazier. And once you see them, you'll get the full picture of just how powerful this is and how you can actually use it. So, let's dive right in and start with the first example. And trust me, you'll notice the difference right away. Okay, we just uploaded this picture and said, turn the car into a yellow Lamborghini. Damn, look at this. Then we added, give it a cinematic look. And instantly, the photo got this sporty movie-style vibe. Here's the result. Now let's try something different. Well, the best thing about Nano Banana is, it's not just for editing photos, it's a total game changer for video production too. Take this shot of a couple sitting in a restaurant. I tested different camera angles to see if Nano Banana could keep things consistent. I started with simple prompts, medium close-up of the man, close-up of the woman, and the results? Mind-blowing. For the guy, Nano Banana nailed it. Everything matched the original. The glasses, the background, the whole vibe. But when I tried the same thing with ChatGPT, it messed up. Instead of a medium close-up, it gave me a tight zoomed-in shot. The scene didn't even make sense. That's where you realize how good Nano Banana is at keeping context. The woman shot? Same story. Perfect result. Then I went further. I asked for an overhead shot of the same scene, and Nano Banana delivered again. Perfect composition. Here's the exciting part. With Nano Banana, you can create multiple shots from one single photo. For video creators, that's huge, because in real life, getting these shots would take a full crew, a big setup, maybe even a crane. But now, all it takes is a few prompts, different angles, consistent results, and a dynamic video. No wonder Google wants this inside Google Floor. With V3 and Nano Banana together, that's the perfect match. So that's everything I wanted to show you about Nano Banana. How to use it, and what it can do. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll make sure to check them out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.